Hey, Gopal, this is Don Gilsdorf. Just wanted to give you an update on the import of vouchers. Here's my test file, which I dummied up. It's got 700 and some odd records in it. You can see it's pretty much the text file like you had sent me that only had 3 records in it. Over in Excel, I imported that into Excel, and that turned out to be $2,019,917.78 and 748 records total. Anyway, over to Macola, we'll go ahead and show you how this works. It's very straightforward. You bring it up, you hit cancel. We haven't done anything with the batch ID. I hard coded the batch ID to be refund. But you hit cancel, and then it says, okay, go select a file. So I'm going to go select a file, which happens to be my refund, which I was working on last week. And then you hit close. And it takes a few seconds, but it imports it from there. And we'll just sit here and let it, okay, finished. Okay. Now I was over it, I should have shown this earlier. I had done this select statement. There were no records in the AP transaction file, AP transaction distribution, AP ID file, or the AP VEN file. So I'm just going to run these one at a time. Should have 748 records, which I do. See, the batch ID is a refund. And I should have 748 records in the distribution to GL, which has got the 2310-999, and the other side of that entry is actually the other side of the entry is up here in the AP transaction file, if I recall, which is where is it? Yeah, 2550999. That's the AP account. The expense distribution is only to the other account. And I've also got the temporary vendors. Should have 748 of them as well, which I do. And finally, the batch file, which should match my batch totals. And boom, there's my batch totals, 2,019,917.78, 748 transactions, just like I said in Excel. From here, and I'm not going to do this because I don't want to muck up my database. From here, all you would do is go to transactions, vouchers. You can print or post the transactions. Actually, I can post the transactions. That's no big deal. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that just to show. And we'll print it to file, which is fine. This will take a couple of minutes. I don't know what your average batch size is going to be, but this will take a couple of minutes. This won't be too bad. When that finishes, I'll open up that report, print it to screen, and show the 2,019,900 and whatever it was. And hopefully we can do this on your system sometime today, but I just wanted to show you that it's actually working. So I'm sure it'll work on your system. I mean, we may, there's always a glitch or two when you deploy it, but I don't anticipate any problems at least. So we'll just bear with this when it finishes. I have no idea how many pages this is going to be. Looks like it's trying to finish. And it finished. And we'll go to reports. Cancel out of here again. Go to reports, print spool to reports, AP, and let's find the one dated today, which would be this one. Print to screen. This is going to, unfortunately, this is going to take a little while to render as well. While that's doing that, the next step of it that's going to create the outbound pipe delimited is going to be when we print checks. I'm going to put some flexibility. I've actually already started to put some flexibility code. And I basically have to, I haven't started on this part of it yet, but this is much smaller than the other one for obvious reasons. That's going to be on the Mac form save event. Go to create pipe delimited file. So pretty straightforward. I'm going to escape out of here. And anyway, that's what we have to do yet, and that won't take nearly as long. Okay, here's our report at long last. If I scroll all the way to the bottom, maybe I'm getting my mouse to work. 2,019,917.78. So anyway, I just wanted to give you this update. If you have any questions, holler at me. If we can hopefully demo that on your system today, that would be great. I don't know what your schedule is. I don't know what's going on with the IT folks over there, but just give me a call. I will talk to you soon. Thanks.